Alright, dude, you gotta look at this. Look at all these bikes coming in here. You ain't even gonna believe how many there are. Look at it. It's a whole sea of bikes. I'm trying to move this slow and hold it over my head so you can see it. I don't know how well it's working. And you got more bikes out there on the street. Turn around. Still more bikes coming in. I'm going to try to walk and talk your way through this. Maybe you can get a better idea.
Come in on the other side.
There's men and women on them as couples. Then there's just some single women coming in by themselves that have served. Look at them over there. Gotta get out of this dude's way.
I move over a little. Get in.
Look at him there. I suspect that field's going to be full before this is over. Look. Watch this. Look at them all way down there under, like, it looks like they're under the trees, but they're not quite. They're already pushed out from the trees. All the way over to there.
Yeah, I'd like to.
They're just rolling into this place. Monday is that rolling thunder for the vets. I'd love to be here Monday for the parade of these. Anyway, I'm out here. I just wanted you to get an idea of some of this stuff, man. Maybe next year's your year here. See ya.